Ho, 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 Merry Christmas! As we continue approaching the holiday season, I wanted to show you guys a really fun gift idea. It is our multi-masking pod set. This is ideal for a stocking stuffer. So if you have a girl who loves to pamper herself and do masks, or you have a daughter or two, or a couple women that are like close in your family, you could each get one and have it as an event gift. So it's like, okay, we are gonna set a date, we're doing masks, we're gonna do pedicures and fondue. And you can make it an experience gift where you guys share it together. Either way, just a fun option for some pampering, gorgeous, wonderful masks that do fun, different things. And it's super cute. So, do you have a girl in your life who would just love, love, love to play with masks and mess around with her skin this winter? Or do you have a couple that you would love to spend time with? And this is a great excuse and opportunity to schedule a girls' night. Who knows? But I'd be glad to help if that can serve someone in your life.